two things are gonna happen in this video. One, I'm gonna take out the acuity shifter, which I'm putting up for sale, so if you wanna buy it. If you haven't already seen it, I did a full review, which you can watch right here. And obviously I'm gonna be putting back in the stock shifter. And then the second part of the video is going to be flashing the Phearable tune. Currently I'm on TSP, so I'm gonna flash Phearable, and then I'm gonna go for a little rip around town with the Phearable and the stock shifter and see how it all feels. Let's see if I remember how to do this. So I believe the first thing you do is put it in an even gear. I've slid it back and forth. Take the knob off. I think I have to take this off. Alright, so here's the plan, guys. Everyone's been asking, everyone's pretty concerned that I'm getting rid of this car. Hold your horses. The plan is, I'm gonna try to buy a brand new 2020 Type R first, okay? If I can't get one for MSRP, which probably is not going to happen, what I'll probably try to do then is buy a good condition, used 2019 and up. Now, if too much time passes by after having sold this already and searching for a Type R, if too much time passes by at that point and I haven't been able to find a good Type R, then what I'm going to do is look for a nice C6 Corvette. If that doesn't work out, I'll just buy something, man. I don't know. I've lost your N, STI, 2018 and up STI, maybe even a good condition second gen Mazda Speed 3. I don't know. Also, I'm taking this thing to the drag strip, which has been requested a lot during the time I've had this car. Finally gonna listen to you guys. I'm taking it to the drag strip with Dakota. Let me know what you guys think I'll be able to run. Oh, I also have some exciting news. I just bought a Flashpro today. I got a good deal. I bought it from a nice guy who follows my YouTube channel. His name's Tyler. He sold it to me for 450 bucks total, including tax and shipping, which I thought was pretty nice. That's a slamming deal. I already have 2 races lined up with the 9th tune. I want to see what it can do stock. I mean, it's not gonna be any Focus STs or WRXs or anything like that stock, but eventually it will. All right, let's get this thing out of here. Awesome. All right, let's see if this comes out. What the hell? Oh shoot, there's a freaking thing stuck in here. So I want to talk about something kind of serious, well, serious to me at least. The Veloster N race. I had somebody comment on that video and they posted a link to a thread that was about me, about the video that I made, the Veloster race, on the Civic X forum. And I saw some comments about me that didn't make a whole lot of sense. Some of them did, some of them didn't, in my eyes anyway. I saw some pretty negative stuff. It was about 50-50. I mean, I saw some positive comments, which, thank you to those. It really bothered me because I did not think they were justified. You know, I had a conversation with those people and I don't think they're bad people at all. It's really hard to convey my true self and my true intentions and stuff like that over social media, especially if I'm like talking to someone in the comments. It's just not, it's not ideal. So there's some misinterpretation on a lot of people's parts, including mine. I ended up getting mostly everything straightened out, but it just really sucked to see that there's this one person who said, I just spew BS. You know, I have no idea what I'm doing. There's like really crappy stuff like that. And I was like, okay. Not at all to be full of myself or anything like that. You guys absolutely know I'm not like that. I do feel like I've done a great job for the 10th gen Honda Civic community. And I mean, I've given away several things. I gave away a Ktuner, I gave away side markers. I feel like I've done plenty of things. I've made some good informational videos. Yeah, I have, you know, misspoken a couple times about some issues. One of the things that I was wrong on was the reliability of this car. I mean, I was totally wrong about that. I honestly thought this car would have been blown up by now with the amount of abuse that I've put it through. Anyway, I did my best to clear up that confusion. I'm not gonna please everybody. I don't know. So there we go. Look at that beautiful piece of hardware. freaking great job, Acuity. I mean, this is, yeah, God, this is such a good shifter. I'm hauling ass right now. How long have we been out here? 5-0?
That's how long we've been on the phone now.
Oh shit, alright. I mean, I'm still hauling pretty decent ass. There's this plug right here, and I have no idea where it goes. Charlie, say hi. I'm gonna start the flashing process while I finish this stuff up right here. Let's take rep hang off and check to see what map I'm in. Map 1. Map 1 should be 19.5 psi. Oh yeah. Man, that stock shifter is so easy. Oh! I like the longer throws. I like the longer throws. So she said. Oh, look at that! You're wearing What the Hill shirt. Oh yeah. Dude, there is a freaking difference between TSP and Phearable. This feels awesome. It's so smooth. Oh, not the best downshift in the world, but that's okay. We'll get back into it. This car ahead of us is a little suspect. Oh my goodness. This feels great. Guys, I'm pretty sure Phearable is better. Just overall, I don't know. I definitely prefer Phearable. It's a immediate difference you notice. We have some jabronis in the back of the car. I was just telling Vivian before I went and got her in and out that I saw a comment on the S2000 race video, and someone said, if you sell the 10th gen, I'm gonna unsubscribe. Let me know what you guys think about that. I responded with okay. I wanted to say something else, but I'll keep it.
We're not gonna say it though.
Yeah, I'll keep it PG.
Go right.
Well, nice blinker, you Tesla. It's really weird. I thought Teslas had blinkers. I guess not. I'm gonna roll the window down so I can hear the sweet 1.5 liter 4-cylinder exhaust note. Map 2 of Phearable, which to me it feels and this is, I've heard this from several other people, that map 2 and 3 both on Phearable and TSP Stage 1 feel the same. You guys can see from several of the race videos that I've done when I go from map 3 to map 2 and back and forth, it's like the same result. So I'm just gonna use map 2, because if I can get the same amount of power with 22 psi versus, you know, pushing the turbo more around 24, 25 psi, which if it's like putting down the same power, why use map 3? I don't know. Anyway, I'll try map 2 and then map 1. Map 1 on Phearable is 19.5 psi, and it feels really strong. So I'll try both of those. Hopefully I can break the 13s. That'd be sweet. Tried to convince Vivian to run her Dodge Challenger. I think that would be so more funny than anything, but it would be really cool. She doesn't want to do it. Her Dodge Challenger has 180,000+ miles, so I mean,
yeah, she's old.
Yeah,
I don't want to push her too much.
Her glory days are over. All right, well, I'm going anyway. Alright, that's all I got, fellas. The next 2-3 weeks are gonna be so much content, I don't even know. So much stuff happening. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. And
it's green.
Vivian, come on, babe. Thank you very much for watching, and
We'll see you later.
no.
And what?
See you next time.
See you. What's wrong with see you later?
I always say see you next time.
Well, why can't I